17.8% since the 8th of April of this year, 2025. Whereas, or rather, yeah, Bitcoin has done that. Whereas MSTR, which is what we're looking at right now, has gained a much bigger value, has gained a lot more, 70.8%, 70.08% since that time, since the 8th of March. And it has continued, it has come back now to it was before, now back again, a better investment, I mean, returns better, better value, returns better gains than Bitcoin itself. It's a better bet than Bitcoin. So it's done that now. Before the correction we had earlier in the broader market, it was doing so. So we also know that Bitcoin, the management of MicroStrategy, they have those convertible bonds that they are vested with call contracts. So as such, the hedge funds that are, or it mustn't be, may not be, not it may not necessarily be hedge funds alone, but yeah, mostly them, or rather they're involved. Big companies. We pointed out in one of our previous videos concerning MicroStrategy that we had this company was Alliance, the German investment firm. It also has insurance as well. They hold positions in, they hold some of their convertible bonds, and because of what they have, they are constantly buying, and they also constantly buying, constantly shorting, because either in either direction they are making money. So either direction they are making money. So they keep the stock active. They keep it active. When it's rising, expect short selling to come back in. So it has gained over 70% now since in less than 1 month. It's gained over 70%. So expect some contractions to occur at some point. That is what is being extrapolated here on this 4-hour chart. In the coming for the whole of May, we are expecting to see a contraction. Let's see what happened here. This is May. In March, it was actually doing well. We'll see in March what happened. In March, we had strength as well. It was just towards the end of March that it declined, and then yeah, okay, maybe we might see a different pattern, a pattern that may entail weakness for the whole of May. But yeah, for some for a period in May, However, this is an extrapolation of the price, and it's highly unstable, highly unstable. You can't rely on this. Things can totally change. In as much as hedge funds are there, selling short and buying. The stock has gained 70%. So you should expect them to be shorting. Because this is what they do. They have to keep making money. They have invested in the stock, so they have to return, make an investment. They have to use their convertible bonds to make money. That's what they're doing. So expected to naturally, I would agree with this, because you can see 70% in less than just call it three weeks, which will be 15 trading sessions or thereabout. So naturally you would expect that this might occur, a correction might occur. You know, yeah, expect such a thing to be in a place. It won't be out of place for you to expect that. So let's see now. It's currently trading at 392 in this pre-market session. So we'll see what the projections are saying. Upper projections is all we have here: 393.3, 415.76, 429.6264. If we come to the daily chart, we are just going to rely on, well, okay, there'll be a temptation. There is a temptation to, I think we can rely on that because nothing significant has really happened. So it's more here. The algos are not really, they're not, they are ignoring the fact that it has shown a lot of strength since the last 15 trading sessions, or even more or less. and it's extrapolating higher prices. And yet at the same time, like I said, this extrapolation of the price is highly unstable. Things can absolutely change. So we have a similar projection here, 464, I think. On we have this extrapolation is also it also converges with one of those upper projections on the 4-hour chart. So as things stand right now, we have let's see what we have. We have 348. Let's see. Yeah, we have some downward projections. 348. 348.01, upper projections 390.82. Is that what we have? Is it an upper projection? No, it's actually a downward projection. So the upper projections are anything above 392. So 417.28 is the only upper projection. So I think it's quite fair. It only has one upper projection, and then extrapolating higher prices. Not really. I guess it's just probably an attempt to moderate the expectations. Yeah, maybe that's all we're looking at right now. So let's see. I think the company will disclose its earnings today. I think by the close of today's trading session, the company will report 2025 earnings today and expecting a loss of 11 dollars per share and revenue of $116.6 million, a 1.2% rise year over year. So yeah, just know what you're doing with MSTR. It has cooked up a lot of strength. Naturally, you should expect it to be cooling off, especially based on what's available on its 4-hour chart. Intraday high 395 at some point in this pre-market session. So I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.